Committee. In attendance was the party leader and the two deputies. Of course, the chair of the meeting. But then I want to ask the SG, the deputy SG, who is standing in for the substantive Secretary General, to read the official statement or press statement from the party. And then if there will be questions, we'll be glad to take them, but we'll restrict them to about 3. SG.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chair. And as you know, ODM is a party of order, rules and regulations. We usually have our consistent meetings of the National Executive Committee. So I'd like to read the communication from the meeting we've just had. The National Executive Committee, NEC, of the ODM party met today, Thursday, 11th April 2024, to deliberate on a number of issues concerning the party in the run-up to party activities scheduled for this month and the days to come. We also deliberated on matters of national interest, issues that affect the common mwananchi that require our intervention as a party. The party leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, and the two deputy party leaders, Honorable Wycliffe Oparanya and Honorable Hassan Ali Joho, attended the meeting. The following are the resolutions. 1. We endorsed the new look 3-member National Elections Coordinating Committee, that is NECC, to replace the defunct National Elections Board, NEB, that was disbanded following recommendations of the National Executive Committee on September 6, 2023. The NECC will have devolved roles which will be executed at the county level by a 3-member County Election Committee, that is CECs. This is subject to resolution by the National Governing Council, NGC, scheduled for next week. 2, the National Executive Committee gave the nod for the rolling out of the grassroots elections in phases beginning April 27, 2024. We urge party members to participate in this exercise and elect officials who will steer the party to prosperity. It is worth noting that ODM is the only party in the country that has been consistent in fulfilling legal obligations as stipulated in the Political Parties Act, including conducting grassroots elections on time. 3. In line with the Political Parties Disputes Tribunal on matters filed by members facing action, the NEC referred the matter to the legal committee of the party for further direction. Honorable Catherine Omanyo, our Deputy Secretary General.
Thank you. 4. The NEC endorsed the report of the National Dialogue Committee, NADCO, as passed by the 2 Houses of Parliament and called for expeditious implementation of the recommendations made by the committee. However, the party will continue pushing the Kenya Kwanza administration to address the issue of the high cost of living to cushion Kenyans from continued suffering, insecurity in the North Rift, and fake fertilizer syndicate that threatens to interfere with production of food, hence threatening the food security situation in the country. The NEC endorsed the candidature of the party leader, the Honorable Raila Odinga, for the position of the chairperson of the African Union Commission in the election scheduled for February 2025. He is a national leader, a seasoned political leader, and a Pan-Africanist who understands issues affecting the continent. His experience and knowledge will help foster the growth of the continent to greater heights. ODM is united, focused, and strong under the leadership of Honorable Raila Odinga, and the NEC calls on party members and supporters to exercise sobriety and tolerance for the betterment of its stability.
And last, just to mention that ODM has come up with a very innovative idea, and that is to introduce a council of elders, as have some political parties done, including some political parties in Tanzania. The Council of Elders is a group of elders who can be consulted, who are part of the party, who have wisdom, who have political experience, and they become part and core of a group with us as ODM. So very soon we'll be unveiling the Council of Elders for the ODM party, and I think this will help steer the party further into real growth. I think we're all looking forward to this very innovative action that we're going to take, and I think we continue to grow as ODM, the strongest party in Kenya. Thank you.
Thank you.
The chairman, here you are.
No, there's
Yes.
nothing more to say.